Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In today's session, we are going to study present continuous tense with is. First of all, we will focus on word is. Word is always used with pronouns he, she and it. Whenever we make use of sentences in present continuous tense, word is to be used with pronouns he, she and it. Let's understand same thing with the help of examples. He is troubling me. In this example, we have placed he in the beginning of the sentence. Soon after word he, word is coming. Next example. She is learning English. In this example also, we have placed she in the beginning of the sentence, and soon after this word she, word is coming. Next example. It is playing with ball. In this example also, word it is placed in the beginning of the sentence, and soon after this word it, word is coming. From this it becomes clear, whenever we make use of words he, she, it in present continuous tense, is supposed to come with them. Friends, let me tell you very clearly. In order to study any tense, we need to have knowledge about V1, V2, V3 and V1 plus ing of the words. If you try to study any tense without getting knowledge about forms of the verbs, then your journey of learning tense is going to be useless. Therefore, it becomes very important for us to focus on these forms of the verbs. In many lessons, I have given reference to these forms of the verbs. Today also, we are going to revise these forms of the verbs. I am going to read the words aloud and you have to repeat the words after me. Let's start. Cut, 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 cutting. Shut, 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 shutting. Do, did, done, doing. Think, thought, thought, thinking. Write, wrote, written, writing. Okay friends, now we will try to understand structure of sentences in present continuous tense with is. Structure is very simple. It is placed on the board before you. Let's go through the structure. First of all, we have to put he or she or it. Then word is to be placed, followed by V1 plus ing. Then remaining part of the sentence is to be placed. Let's understand same thing with the help of examples that I have taken on the board. He is pulling my leg. In this example, we have placed he in the beginning of the sentence as per the structure. Then word is placed. Then word pulling, that is V1 plus ing is placed. Then remaining part of the sentence is my leg. Next example. She is planning something. In this example also, we have followed the structure closely. That is, we have placed she in the beginning as per the structure. Then word is placed. Then V1 plus ing is placed, that is planning. And then remaining part of the sentence is coming, that is something. Next example. It is flying in the sky. In this example, we can see that we have made use of it in the beginning of sentence as per the structure. Then word is placed. Soon after this word is, we have placed V1 plus ing, that is flying, and then remaining part of the sentence is coming, that is in the sky. In this way, we can make as many sentences as we want as per the structure given on the board. Friends, I want to tell you one more thing regarding use of present continuous tense with is, and that is, whenever we make use of singular subjects, we have to use word is soon after them. For example, in these three sentences, words he, she and it are singular pronouns, and therefore we have made use of word is soon after them. What do we understand from this? From this we understand one thing. Whenever subject of a sentence is singular, we have to make use of is to form sentences in present continuous tense with is. Okay friends, now we are at the crucial stage in the lesson. Here we are going to understand where to make use of present continuous tense in our day-to-day life. Earlier we have seen how to make sentences in present continuous tense with is by following structure. With the help of the structure we can make as many sentences as we want. But problem arises if you don't know or if you don't understand where to make use of present continuous tense. Therefore, please pay attention. Here we will talk about use of present continuous tense. Let's start. Present continuous tense is used to talk about an action that is happening currently. It means whatever actions are happening at the time of speaking or whatever actions are happening currently, all those actions can be described by making use of present continuous tense. Here we will try to understand use of present continuous tense with the help of examples. He is riding a bicycle. In this example, speaker has made use of present continuous tense because he is talking about an action that is happening currently. Next one. She is driving a car. In this example also, speaker has made use of present continuous tense in order to talk about an action that is happening currently. And finally, it is enjoying the ride. In this example also, speaker has made use of present continuous tense in order to talk about an action that is happening currently. Okay friends, here is an exercise for you. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable V1 plus ing. You can think of any suitable V1 plus ing on your own. After completing the sentence, you should be able to get sense out of that, and only then your sentence will be correct. Let's start. He is dash me. He is helping me. Next one. She is dash English. She is teaching English. Next one. It is dash. It is crying. Next one. He is dash in the office. He is working in the office. Next one. She is dash me. She is calling me. And finally, it is dash. It is sleeping. In this way, we have got answers to all the examples successfully. After reading these examples, we are understanding that all the sentences are written in present continuous tense, and this tense is used to talk about an action that is happening currently. Okay friends, here is one more exercise for you. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable subjects. Here we have studied a lesson called present continuous tense with is, and in this lesson we have talked about 3 subjects from beginning till the end. They are he, she and it. Out of these 3 subjects, you can put anyone as per the requirement. Let's start. Dash is enjoying the session. He is enjoying the session. Next one. Dash is getting correct answer. She is getting correct answers. Next one. Dash is drinking milk. It is drinking milk. Next one. Dash is working hard. He is working hard. Next one. Dash is making fun of me. She is making fun of me. And finally, Dash is chasing us. It is chasing us. Friends, while getting answers for this exercise, you might have noticed that is, whenever we make use of he, she, it as a subject in the sentence, we have to use word is soon after that. It means when subject of the sentence is singular, we have to make use of is in order to form sentences in present continuous tense. Okay friends, I am going to end the session. I hope that you have enjoyed the session. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.